Limited issued. Silence now. Kapoor Media Limited issued 1,20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 80 per share for public subscription. What are the number of shares issued? 1,20,000. What is the face value? 10 and premium 80. Now underline, company called up the amount including share premium in 4 equal installments. 4 installments. Majority questions we have done with 3 installments. Here 4 installments. It means application, allotment, first call and final call. How much is face value?
10.
4 equal installments. So 10 divided by 4, 2.5. Each of application, allotment, first call and final call. How much is premium? 80. Divided by 4.
Kavita's parents are calling.
Kavita's?
Parents are calling.
Right now?
Yes.
Kavita, you will leave? Lovely child of lovely parents, maybe. Celebrate the Children's Day. Yes? Right? Let her leave them. Yes, Ravi, editor. Once again, how much is face value? 10. Divided by 4, 2.5 each of application, allotment, first call and final call. How much is premium? 80. Divided by 4, 20. 20 premium with application, 20 with allotment, first call and final call. Now company received applications for 1,60,000 equity shares. So over subscription. How many shares were issued? First paragraph. 1,20,000 and applications received 1,60,000. So oversubscribed by 40,000. First entry with 1,60,000 shares. Second entry refund with 40,000 shares. After that all amounts and entries with 1,20,000 shares. Excess applications were rejected and money paid thereon was refunded. Shahil, who was holding 4,000 shares, failed to pay first call and final call on shares held by him, and his shares were forfeited after due formalities. He did not pay first call and final call. Then the forfeiture is done. So when is the forfeiture done? After final call. Means what is the called up capital on Shahid's shares? 10 rupees, full 10 rupees after final call. Any doubt with this? Now, these forfeited shares were reissued to Randeep and then at a premium of 70 per share. So what will be the reissue price? 80, 10% premium you add. If they say reissued at discount of 2, then what will be the reissue price? 10 minus 2, 8. And reissued at premium of 70, then what is the reissue price? 10 plus 70, 80. Discount you will minus and premium you will add. Did you understand this? Once again, what is the reissue price? 80 rupees. And the amount on this was received by the company. Write necessary journal entries in the books of the company to record about transactions and underline also prepare securities premium account. Right everyone? Let us make the workings fast. Yes, keep silence everyone. First working, installments. Lot of noises coming, maintain silence. Face value plus premium total and only one calls in arrears Shahid. Understood this, everyone? Now we have 4 installments: application, allotment, first call, final call. All 4 are equal installments. So as I discussed, face value will be 10 divided by 4, 2.5 each. Total 10. Premium 80 divided by 4, 20 each. Total 80, and total amount of each installment 22.5, 2.5 plus 20. Total 90. Any doubt up till here? And how many shares Shahid is holding? 4,000 shares. Which installments he has not paid? First call and final call. Got it, everyone? Forfeiture is done after final call. Second working, called up capital. Now forfeiture is done after final call. So what is the called up capital will say? Rupees 10 per share. Third, amount forfeited. For Shahid. There you, how would we find that? Which one? Which 2.5s? Correct. The formula of amount forfeited is number of shares forfeited into amount paid by the shareholder, which I have been telling you, cross multiply. These are the number of shares forfeited. He has not paid first call and final call. What has he paid? Application and allotment. So we multiply with this. Is everyone clear with it? Means what is the amount forfeited? 4,000 into 2.5 plus 2.5? 5. 20,000. Any confusions with this? Format of journal.
Do we have to write narration?
No, without the narrations.
But do we need to write it as narration?
You can tell me how many entries will be there?
8, 9, 9.
11 entries. 4 installments into 2. 8 entries. Then 3 entries forfeiture, reissue and
I
profit.
thought there was only 3.
So, journal entries in the books of
Kapoor Media.
Kapoor Media. Now we are in the first 8 entries are very simple, basic. Every installment is 2 entries, so directly I am doing them on the board, and in detail we'll discuss the 9, 10 and 11. They are the important ones. Okay. So listen carefully. First one, bank account debit to equity share application account Now all entries we have to pass with 1 lakh. First entry we have to pass with 1,60,000 shares into applications. Total amount is 22.5.
36 lakhs.
36 lakhs. Did you understand this? Narrations we are not writing, they'll remain same as we have been doing in the chapter. Homework you must be writing them, okay? Then second, anyone still writing the first entry, raise your hand. Now second entry, equity share application account debit with full amount 36 lakhs. Yes, Khushi be attentive. To bank account, as we discussed in the beginning, oversubscribed by 40,000, so we have to refund the money on 40,000 shares. 40,000 into full 22.59 lakhs. Then to equity share capital account. Now after refund of 40,000, all entries with amounts with 1,20,000 shares. Share capital with face value amount of application, that is 2.5. So 3 lakhs. To security premium account. With premium amount which is 20 rupees. So 1,20,000 into 20, 24 lakhs. Any confusion in this? Next, so 2 entries of application are done. Anyone still writing the second entry? And anyone who is not clear with any amounts? Now 2 entries of allotment. First, equity share allotment account debit now we have to pass all entries with 1,20,000 shares into total amount is 22.5 36 lakhs, sorry 27 lakhs. Okay, 1,20,000 into 22.5, 27 lakhs. To equity share capital account. $1,20,000 into face value 2.5, 3 lakhs. To security premium account. $1,20,000 into premium is 24 lakhs. Any confusion in this? Now second entry of allotment. See the working. Are there any calls in areas in allotment? There are no calls in areas in allotment. So single entry or combined entry? Single entry. Okay, calls in areas will not come. Bank account debit to equity share allotment account. Allotment you'll credit with full amount of 27 lakhs. And calls in areas are not there, so bank account also debit with 27 lakhs. Any confusion in this? So 2 entries of allotment are also done. Now same 2 entries for first call. Amounts are also same. Amounts of each installment is same. So equity share first call account debit 1,20,000 into 22.5, 27 lakhs to equity share capital account. 1,20,000 into 2.53 lakhs to security premium account 1,20,000 into 24 lakhs. Now, has everyone completed this? Now, are there calls in areas in first call? Yes. So, single entry or combined entry now? Combined entry. Now it will be bank account debit, calls in arrears account debit, to equity share first call account. Very first we'll go reverse. So first call we will credit with full amount of 27 lakhs. Then calls in areas, here we take it 4,000 into 22.5, 90,000. And 27 lakhs minus 90,000, 26 lakh 10,000.
Yes.
Is everyone of you clear with this? And exactly same two entries for final call. Same amounts, same entries. Instead of first call, it will become final call. Anyone still writing up till here? So write 7, 8 entry on your own. I'm writing it on the board, but all of you write it on your own. Okay, without looking from the board. It's exactly same. Is everyone able to get this? Equity share final call account debit 1,20,000 into 22.5, 27 lakhs. To equity share capital 1,20,000 into 2.53 lakhs. To security premium 1,20,000 into 24 lakhs. Then bank account debit calls in areas to equity share final call will go reverse. So final call credit with full amount of 27 lakhs. Calls in areas 4,000 into 22.5, 90,000. And bank account 27 lakhs minus 90,000, 26 lakh 10,000. So basic 8 entries are done. Now 4 feature. After final call now 4 feature. 4 features entry. Very first, what do we have? Which account debit? Share capital. Head on equity share capital account debit. And the amount, how do we get it?
It would be number of shares forfeited into called up capital.
So here what will we get?
4,000 into 10, 40,000.
Yes, number of shares forfeited 4,000. We attended nil. Number of shares forfeited 4,000 into called up capital 10, so 40,000. Did everyone understand this? Head on 4,000 into 10, 40,000. Then security premium account debit. Swara, what is the formula for security premium account debit?
Share forfeited into premium not.
So look at the working note 1 and tell me which premiums are not paid by the shareholder Shahid.
First call and final call.
That is which premium amounts?
20, 40.
40. Which premiums are not paid by Shahid? 20 and 20 of first and final call, that is 40. Number of shares forfeited 4,000 into premium not paid by the shareholder 40, so 1,60,000. 2. Share forfeiture account. Shivang. Yes, from working note 3 directly we will take 20,000 amount forfeited workings. We have done it already. And to calls in arrears account. Parik,
90,000.
1,80,000. 90,000 calls in areas of 8th entry. 90,000 calls in areas of 6th entry. So we have closed calls in areas with what amount? 90,000 plus 90,000. 1,80,000. Did you all understand this? Anyone having any doubt in it? Now reissues entry. Very first, bank account debit. Now what is the formula of bank? Number of shares reissued into reissue price. See the last paragraph I made you underline premium of 70. They are reissued at premium of 70. And I discussed with you what is the reissue price? 80. Premium of 70 means 10 plus 70. What is the reissue price? 80. Number of shares reissued 4,000. All 4,000 are reissued. Into reissue price 83 lakh 20,000. What else do we debit? Share forfeiture account. Will we debit?
No.
What amount do we debit in share forfeiture? Discount. There is no discount. There is premium. So share, and I made you write in the entry either share forfeiture will come or security premium. Forfeiture will not come here. Directly we will credit to equity share capital account. Now what is the formula of share capital? Number of shares reissued into called up capital. Number of shares reissued 4,000 and after final call they are reissued, so called up capital is 10, 40,000. Be careful. It is not necessary, we have seen that in the last question, that the called up capital at the time of forfeiture and reissue is same. So be careful, like in last lecture we had forfeiture after allotment but reissued after final call. And to security premium account with number of shares reissued 4,000 into what is the premium now in this? 70, 2,80,000. Did all of you understand this? Now last entry, what do we have to pass? Share forfeiture to capital reserve with the amount of profit. When would this entry not come? Maximum discount. If you have reissued at maximum possible discount. What is the formula for profit? Amount forfeited, that is 20,000 minus there is no discount because the shares are reissued at premium. So entire 20,000 is your profit. Entire amount forfeited 20,000 is the profit because there is no discount. Did everyone understand this? Any confusions?
2 crores 39 lakh 40,000.
Total is 2 crore 39 lakhs 40,000. So all are clear with this? What else is asked? Security premium account. So make a format of security premium. There is a simple ledger posting, but one point is important in this. Now be attentive. Security premium we have to make, so see these amounts will be considered. Security premium account from second entry, third entry, fifth entry, seventh entry, ninth entry, and 10th entry. Okay. Two security premiums we will write down. credit side. Date is 2. Opposite account is by equity share application account. And what is premiums amount? 24 lakhs. Did you understand this? Any doubt in it? Same way, third entry will again come on credit side. What will we write? By equity share allotment account, 24 lakhs. Anyone not clear with second and third entries posting? Then fifth entry will again come on credit side by equity share first call account, 24 lakhs. And seventh entry will again come on credit side by equity share final call account, 24 lakhs. Any doubt in this? Put your pens down after this. Now, from ninth entry, the posting is important. First of all, where will we write security premium account? Debit side. Amount? 160. Raise your hand. What will you write in particulars? Two opposite accounts are there. What will you write in the column of particulars? Raise your hand. Not your voice. Okay. Parik.
Share forfeiture account to calls in areas.
Amounts?
Share forfeiture 20,000, calls in areas 1,80,000.
So 2 lakhs will get debited. Premium is only 160. Shiva?
Sir, on debit side to share forfeiture account and to calls in areas account. Share forfeiture 20,000 and calls in areas 1,60,000.
So it will become 20 and 160, 180. Anyone else? Sarvesh?
So we will divide them into ratio. Means security forfeiture and calls in areas ratio will be 1:9. So
1,60,000 into 1 by 10 and
yes.
9 by 10. Anyone else? Charuda? Little bit of common sense is only required. If you would have listened carefully what I told in the beginning, you must be able to answer. Yes? To calls in areas entire 160. No share forfeiture. And Dutch?
To calls in area 1,80,000 and buy share forfeiture 20,000.
Credit side.
Balance.
Pooja? No idea. Anyone else? Now listen carefully. Charuda's answer is correct. Only 2 calls in areas. Reason understand it. How did we calculate that share forfeiture of 20,000? How did we calculate that share forfeitures account 20,000?
Numbers of shares.
This 4,000 into 5. Does it include any premium? How was this calculated 20,000? 4,000 into 5. It includes only the amount towards face value. Means this 20,000 is entirely included in this entry only, face value. And entire premium is included in which entry? Calls in areas. How did we count this? Calls in areas 180. 90 plus 90. Does this 90,000 include the premium of 20 or not? Means out of this 90, premium is 4,000 into 20, 80,000. Again, out of this 90, premium is 4,000 into 20, 80,000. 80,000 and 80,000. Entire 160 of premium is included where? 1,80,000. So debit side only one opposite entry will come. Which one? Calls in arrears. Share forfeiture never includes premium. It includes only the amount towards face value. So entire amount of premium 160 is in which entry? Calls in arrears. Means if you will pass single entries, then what would it be? Equity share capital account debit 40,000. To share forfeiture 20,000, to calls in arrears 20,000. Out of 40,000, 20,000 is towards the face value and remaining 20,000 is towards the calls in arrears, which is not received. That's why the shares are forfeited. And security premiums, single entry would have been security premium to calls in arrears 1,60,000. Okay, so what will you write on the debit side? To calls in, and entire premium is included only in calls in arrears. Okay, this one is important. Write on debit side entry number 9. Yes. To calls in arrears. Silence. Entire amount of 1,60,000. Anyone who did not understand this? So share forfeiture amount includes only amount towards the face value, and entire premium is included only in calls in arrears. And last entry 10 is simple again. We credit it, so we'll write on credit side by bank account. Again 10th entry, it's opposite by bank account, and premiums amount is 2,80,000. Is everyone clear with it? 98,80,000 credit side total. Balance 97,20,000. Two balance carried down. Did you all understand this, everyone? There is no similar illustration. You will repeat this itself in homework. Question 18 itself you have to repeat in homework. Okay? So that will be all for today. Bye everyone. Pro rata allotment, new topic will start tomorrow.